Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed NCC officers and cadets at NCC MP rally at Karyappa Parade Ground in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to share his thoughts in Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Union Minister of State for Finance Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karat visits Southwest Garo Hills. Noted Khasi folk musician Silvi Pasa conferred Padma Shri Award. And drone technology to improve agriculture in the state. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the annual NCC PM rally at the Karyappa Parade Ground in Delhi today. The event included with a cultural program on the theme Amrit Kal Ki NCC, showcasing the contribution and empowerment of the Amrit Pedhi. More than 2,200 NCC cadets and young cadets from 24 foreign countries was part of this year's rally. As special guests, more than 400 sarpanches of the vibrant villages and more than 100 women belonging to various self-help groups from different parts of the country also attended the rally.
संख्या में रिकॉर्ड वृद्धि हुई है। मेडिकल सीटों में भी बहुत बड़ी वृद्धि हुई है। अनेक राज्यों में नए आईआईटी और नए एम्स बनाए गए हैं। सरकार ने डिफेंस, स्पेस, मैपिंग जैसे सेक्टर्स को युवा टैलेंट के लिए खोल दिया गया है। रिसर्च को बढ़ावा देने के लिए नया कानून भी बनाया गया है। ये सारे काम मेरे नौजवान दोस्तों आपके लिए ही है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani at 11 a.m. tomorrow. It will be the 109th episode of the monthly radio program. The program will be broadcast on the entire network of Akashvani, Doordarshan and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channel of AIR News, DD News, Prime Minister's Office and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Akashvani will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. Union Minister of State for Finance Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karat arrived at Southwest Garo Hills today and was warmly welcomed by the District Administration of Southwest Garo Hills. During his visit, the minister engaged in crucial discussions with district officers and interacted with party workers. The meeting focused on fostering collaboration and understanding the region's unique needs, highlighting a commitment to effective governance and development initiatives in the area. Proponent of Khasi folk music Silvi Pasa has been awarded the Padma Shri. The centre made the announcement on the eve of Republic Day on Thursday. Here is a report.
In a tete-a-tete with DD News Meghalaya, the retired Hindi teacher of Khasi Jaintia National Government School, Delhi, said she would teach songs and dances during PT classes as she felt the need to impart knowledge of various musical instruments such as kabisli, kaksing, katangmuri, kadoitara, with an objective to revive Khasi traditional musical instruments.
เป็นเพลงเป็นอดูตะกะปอกุมนูบันนางบันเต็มสิงกุมนูบันนางบันปนบิสลีกุมนูบันนางบันเต็มดิตราdia persangkai paru omba kat bala rut min pen ke imbiang ikini kita put datam kasih.
After her retirement, she decided to teach music and started writing songs in Khasi Jaintia and Hindi, saying that she works hard to keep the passion alive. She further said that students approach her and she takes them to functions where they can display their talents. Pasa encourages to watch, learn and to respect other cultures. She has the passion to preserve traditional music and also to ensure that the younger generation also takes the baton forward. She was inspired by several Khasi singers such as Bearwell Kindia, Gilbert Shulais, Davis Jirwa.
Nang nila ban sim jeng mut nang turu namar kino ki kamba ki le ki para breu dei umut ki para ti mamba na ba per ki dei badan jumut kai.
Pasa has earned a slew of accolades, including the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for the year 2021 from the President Draupadi Murmu, National Education Award from the late President Abdul Kalam, Meghalaya Day Award, the Lady of Hope Award from South Africa, International Gold Star Award from Bangkok for Excellence in Education. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Drone or unmanned aerial vehicle technology is one of the state-of-art technology available with ICRNEH Umiam Institute. This technology is funded by ICAR under Submission on Agricultural Mechanization. The technology can be used for timely spraying of agri-inputs like foliar nutrients, growth promoters, that is vermiwash hormones and seaweed extracts, bioformulations, biopesticides, etc. in different crops at different stages over large area without labor intervention. The drone technology has been demonstrated, showcased and sensitized among unemployed youths and women farmers of Ribhoi district.
Under the category small for agricultural purposes. So this we procured under the Submission on Farm Mechanization funded by this ICR extension SMD. So we got through from Atari Umiam. So last year during March we procured this one, and then we are demonstrating to the farmers, and we are also doing some research work to check their feasibility in the Umiam condition. And the approximate cost of this drone is around 10 lakhs. Because of high rainfall, lot of nutrients are leached off. So that's why plants, when it has come to active growth stage, the most of the nutrients required by the plants are not available to the plant. So plant come under stress. So during that time, if we provide foliar nutrients which are important for the plant growth like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium and other micronutrients at active growth stage and also at flowering, so our crop growth will be good, and also the yield losses will be minimized, and that maximum yield we can achieve.
Indian Army has invited online applications for the youth of all the districts of Meghalaya for selection as Agniveers under the Agnipath scheme. The window for online registration will commence from first week of February 2024 onwards. The recruitment will be carried out in 2 phases. The candidates can register online on Join Indian Army website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in, where they can check their eligibility criteria and create a personal profile.
At East Kasi Polo Ground, we wanted to give the information regarding what all job opportunities are there in Indian Army, how a person can register himself in Indian Army, and what are his age qualification, criteria and qualification required to join Indian Army.
The realized dreams of Lily Taryang, a resident of Hawaii Boy village under Amlaram CNRD Block West Giant Hills District, echoed as Additional Deputy Commissioner and Project Director of DRDA West Giant Hills, FB Basan, along with collaborators, ceremoniously handed over the house to her yesterday. The house was built under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin PMAYG with the aid of Giant Hills Development Society through Kublai, Germany, and with the support of various stakeholders. FB Basan informed that the PMAYG is a flagship mission of the Indian government to provide housing to the rural poor. Kong Lily and her husband expressed profound joy and extend heartfelt gratitude to their generous benefactors. The TMSC Tura Motorsports Club has organized the Bill Garo Republic Day run yesterday after the Republic Day celebration. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday flagged off the vehicle of the Republic Day Run 2024. The TMSC is known for the commitment to promote motorsports and fostering the spirit of competition. This has brought together motorsports enthusiasts to celebrate the spirit of Republic with the focus on road safety and also promoting responsible and enjoyable motorsports activity. In an unfortunate accident, one person lost his life while another person received grievous injuries after one speeding truck bearing registration number AS01MC8136 rammed into one Maruti Eco and one auto rickshaw while they were in the car wash center along the National Highway 6 at Pahamrio village in Ribhoi district. The driver of the Maruti Eco, who succumbed on the spot, was identified as Anshu Kumar, 20 years, while the driver of the auto rickshaw received grievous injuries and was rushed to Nongpo Civil Hospital. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 4 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 78% and in the evening 80%. Forecast light to moderate rain and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed NCC officers and cadets at NCC PM rally at Karyappa Parade Ground in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to share his thoughts in Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Union Minister of State for Finance Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karath visits Southwest Garo Hills. Noted Khasi folk musician Silvi Pasa conferred Padma Shri Award. And drone technology to improve agriculture in the state. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.